Hello! Today I'm going to teach you how easy it is to assemble the NewTechWood Composite Lumber Raised Garden Bed Kit. It's quick, simple, and no tools are necessary to put it together. We will be assembling the 12 by 36 teak planter kit. The raised beds come in two colors, Japanese cedar or Peruvian teak. You can find them at our website. The advantage of purchasing this kit is that it uses NewTechWood Ultra Shield capped composite lumber. That means you don't have to worry about the boards fading, molding, staining, or rotting. The product is made to last for years, so you can use the same planter kit over and over. Inside should be 4 plastic posts, 4 plastic caps, 4 panels of composite lumber, 3 to 9 grids depending on the planter size. This one comes with 3. Also included is our special aeration sheet, which provides great water drainage as well as allowing air to get to the roots, which promotes excellent plant growth. To start off, gather your grids and put them in either 1 by 3, 2 by 2, 2 by 3, or a 3 by 3 configuration, depending on the size of your planter kit. Since we have the 12 by 36 inch kit, we'll be putting the grids into a 1 by 3 configuration. Make sure that the grid feet are facing the ground when placing together. The grids are connected by a rigid dovetail design. They are 4-way interlocking, so they can easily turn any direction to connect. Next, insert the post legs on the 4 corners from the bottom of the grids. Next, place the aeration sheet on top of the grid. It should fit perfectly on top. Next, install the posts by pressing them down onto the post legs. There will be an audible click once it attaches. You will want to make sure that the slots on your posts face inwards along the edges of the grid. This is where the lumber slides in. Attach 1 post into each corner of the grid system. Next, take the boards and slide them into the slots of the posts. Slightly tap the top of the board to slide it into place. To install the caps, put the cap into place on top of the post and push down. Now that we're finished with the installation, make sure that you put the garden bed on a relatively flat and solid area, like a balcony or patio. Finish off the planter kit by placing soil and plants inside. There you have it, an easy to assemble and beautiful raised garden bed in about 10 minutes. Enjoy!